stains at the edge of your paper this way at a particular area on your documents. If you have stains that is covering just one area, we're going to look at the screen. If you have stain on one area, it can be on this area, it can be on this area, it can be on this area, this or this area. You're going to open up this, and then you're going to clean it from the under. It gets a tissue paper or a piece of cloth. You're going to gently raise this up and clean from under the glass. So it can be on this patch, it can be on this patch, or anywhere. Raise this up and clean it from the bottom of it. This scanner glass. Your own model might be a bit different, but it's generally the same way. What you just do is just to remove this scanner glass. You don't even need to remove it completely. What you just do is just to raise it up a bit, enough to be able to get your hand inside. And so I'm going to get my flat head screwdriver and take out this clip, so you can see this clip here. I'll gently take it. Alright, so these are the clips here. There's one here also. After removing the clip, the next thing I'm going to do is there is a screw here somewhere, so I'm going to remove this so that I can get access to that screw. Alright, so we have some screw here. There's a screw here, and there's a screw here also. There's a screw here also. I'm going to get the screws out. The two screws is out, so I will be able to remove this front panel carefully. You have to be very careful while working on this area because of the screen. You don't want to break the screen. So there's a screw on this edge, and there's a screw on this edge also, which I am going to remove. So I'm going to remove this screw here, one here, one here. So after removing this screw, I'm going to gently pry this open with my hand, or I'm going to make use of a screwdriver to be able to pry all of this open this way. Then this is going to carefully give out this way. So I can unplug this if I want to, but I don't want to unplug it because I don't really need that right now. So what I want to look at is there's this clip here, there's a clip here which is holding this down. There's a clip here and there is another clip here. So I will, with my flathead screwdriver, I will unclip this. So this is going to come off. There's another one here in the middle. I'll carefully so I'll clip to 1, 2, 3. You can see that this is going to come off easily. Gently use my hand there and reposition it, so you can see. So ensure that this is able to move freely. Then I'll take it back to rest. So now that it has rest and through, I'm going to clip this back. Okay, so this is done. Ensure that none of this clip has removed or is out of place.